Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to cook boiled cabbage and potatoes with a delicious paprika and garlic sauce. So let's start cooking. Well, I'll start off by cutting this cabbage up. I don't want this bit. What I'll do is separate all the leaves and just chuck them in the sink. And give it a good wash. I will also peel the potatoes while I've got this chopping board messy. And as with the cabbage, I'll also chuck it in the sink and give it a wash. I'm making this dinner today, which I'm going to accompany with some leftover roast chicken from the other day. You can also accompany it with, like, I don't know, some chops, for example, some boiled eggs. And if you have leftovers, you can make some bubble and squeak with it for dinner in the evening. And once that everything is clean, I'll chuck it in here with some water. So, as you can see, the cabbage has been cut up nice and clean. So I'll put it there to one side. And I'll slice these potatoes up in about 1 centimetre slices. Oops, they're a bit brown. No worries. And just chuck them on there. I know it seems that it's not going to fit or anything, but once the cabbage starts to soften up, it'll go down. So there you go, and I will add some salt now. And fill it with water. Okay then, so that's got enough water and salt. So I'll turn the stove onto its highest and wait for it to start boiling. And in the meantime, I'm going to chop a couple of garlics up. Well, not chop, but I will slice into thick slices. And now we'll wait for that to boil. So in the meantime, let's clear up a bit. So I've got a small frying pan out here. Let's add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and we'll chuck in that garlic and leave it there ready to fry later. So it's starting to boil, so I better turn it down a notch to about 3/4. No lid needed, and just wait for it to be done. You will know when it's done once the potatoes are soft. So in a while, about 15 minutes, I'll do a prick test and see. I'll be back. Okay then, so it's been a good half an hour since I put this pot on here. So let's have a prick test on the potatoes. Yeah, they seem good. If the potatoes are done. Everything else is done. So we will turn this off now. So what I will do now is put the lid on there, and I will take the water out just like my grandmother showed me. You may have seen this on another video, so let's do it. Well, I've taken the water out. You could have kept the water and mixed it up with a one of these stock cubes and used it for a casserole another day, but I forgot. So let's give this a nice mix. Beautiful. Let's take it off this heat. It's still cooling down, and we'll get on to the next step, the magic step. Well, I'm going to put this on my serving dish. I think there will definitely be leftovers today, which is good. We love leftovers, don't we? Okay, so that's there. Look at that. A meal for two. 200. Okay then, so now let's make the secret sauce. We'll turn this on to full heat so that it'll start frying quicker. And I'm going to get half a glass of water ready, straight from the tap. There you go. So the garlic is here, frying nicely. I will turn it over in a minute. I want both sides to be nice golden brown. Okay, so the garlic, as you can see, is nice and toasty. So now I will add a little teaspoon of paprika. We'll give it a swirl. We don't want the paprika to burn. And now we will add half a glass or a third of water. So mixing it with the oil, obviously it's going to sizzle. So we'll give it a little mix around. And we shall wait until it bubbles. Once it bubbles, we shall take it off the heat and pour it over the cabbage and potatoes, which will give it a really nice taste and colour. So it's boiling already, so we'll turn off the heat. So I will pour it over the cabbage and potatoes. There you go. Beautiful. So, what do you think of today's recipe? I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I would love if you subscribed and gave me a like, and even better if you left a comment. So until the next video, have a good day and see you soon. Bye bye.